Good morning. Well, by the time you guys watch this, good afternoon. So today's video is going to be so much fun. We are going to head out and go to Hobby Lobby, and it is all worked out because Jason's friend is coming to get him, so the poor guy does not have to go to Hobby Lobby with us. But I think it'll be really fun because I just want to go. One, I haven't looked around in a long time. I love to go get like high-end ideas. And number two, I want to talk a little bit about like what I would buy there and what I wouldn't buy. But first, I'm going to make Jason and I some quick breakfast. My wild grain box came and I've been dying to try the blueberry lemon donuts. They have the best seasonal items and I always get so excited about, ooh, what's coming out this season? Let's give these a try. One of the things that I love about wild grain is you don't have to unthaw anything. You just bake these right from frozen. The majority of their items are done 25 minutes or less. These donuts only take 5 to 8 minutes, so I'm pretty excited about this. I wish you could smell these. So no thawing or anything like that. We're just gonna pop these in the oven. Something that I appreciate about wild grain is they use simple ingredients, things you can actually pronounce. And they have a slow fermentation process that takes over 20 hours, so it just tastes better. And I feel like it's easier on my stomach. I got so many yummy things. I always get the sourdough bread because let's be honest, I am not a sourdough bread maker. And then of course I got strawberry white chocolate biscuits. This is next on my list. And then you never can go wrong with chocolate croissants. And then a nice little ham and cheese fold over. And then of course, we all know we need croissants every single day. Someone who is always trying to simplify life, I love this because this just eliminates going to a bakery and that type of thing. When I have fresh baked pastries right here at my house, frozen and ready to go anytime that I'm needing them. Like today when I want a quick simple breakfast so we can get out the door. And they have gluten-free, vegan, and even a new protein box. I'm over here cracking up. I'm off camera, chowing down on donuts. And I'm like, Leslie, you might want to actually show everyone how amazing and delicious they are. I got a little carried away. If you want to try wild grain, you can click the link in my description box, use my code Leslie30, and you get $30 off your first box plus free croissants for life. You're going to want to do this. So be sure to use my code Leslie30. Link is in the description box. This is the perfect little treat before we head out. Thank you, Wild Grain, for sponsoring today's video. All right, we're going to head off to Hobby Lobby. Let's go see what we can find. And hopefully this will give you guys some inspiration, give you some great ideas. And on top of that, let's just go have fun together. One of the things I would definitely buy here at Hobby Lobby is artwork. 50% off. They have quite the beautiful selection. I just always think that this is such a great place to find artwork. But let me show you the artwork that I wouldn't buy. Word signs. Word signs are out, but don't forget to always decorate with what you love. So if you love it, go for it, but try to avoid the word signs. Instead of filling your walls with words, try adding artwork, family photos, vintage pieces, baskets, things with texture. Those things usually bring much more warmth and personality. Something else I've learned about word signs is they can make your home feel more cluttered instead of cozy. When every space is telling you something, your eye never gets a chance to rest. Plus, designers rarely use a lot of word signs because timeless homes usually tell a story through textures and colors and lighting, not giant labels on the wall. Not to mention the fact that too many word signs can date your home really quickly because trends change fast. Oh my goodness, fall is already out. Now I will say that some of these pictures are new. They have not had some of these in the past, but guys, it's only mid-May. We really don't need fall decor already. Every time I come into Hobby Lobby, I always check the wood section because their cutting boards, lazy Susans, and trays are some of the easiest ways to make your home look warm and high-end without spending a fortune. And I feel like wood tones instantly add warmth and texture and, I don't know, give you that cozy, collected look. I love using cutting boards in my kitchen, on my counters, and the lazy Susans are great for your kitchen and your bathroom. Dishes are another thing that Hobby Lobby does so well. They have that simple, timeless look that makes a kitchen feel cozy and collected without spending designer prices. I also just really love the mixing of their neutral pieces with the blues and the greens. Very beautiful styles. I love these birds. I just feel like you can't go wrong. I just found the most cute thing in the entire store. Right there. Hello, you're coming home with me. Always check out their vases. A good vase can completely elevate a space, even if you just add simple greenery or leave it empty on a shelf. Every time I go, I love to look at the different selections that they've added. Something else I love is the scalloped baskets. They're so fun. It's a great way to add softness to a space without feeling heavy, and I feel like it just gives it that cute little boutique look. And it's very practical for storage, but so stylish. This large wood tray is one of my favorite pieces. I highly recommend it. So many different uses for it, just from decorating and functional. I use this for movie night. It is fantastic. Hobby Lobby has such a good lamp selection, and lighting is one of the easiest ways to make a home feel warmer and more high-end, because beautiful lamps add so much coziness and ambiance, and they have styles that look far more expensive than they actually are. I love all the unique designs. I love how they're soft, there's modern, there's bold, quite the selection. Do me a huge favor, hit the like button on this video, hype it, share it, comment, do all the things. I truly, truly appreciate it. Just a quick reminder, they have pillow covers. You know we don't need a bunch of pillows, so check out their pillow covers. Hobby Lobby has some great greenery, but you have to be careful because there is some greenery at Hobby Lobby that leaves a little bit to be desired, if you know what I mean. I love their outdoor planters. I feel like they have such a variety, some that look like classic, some that look modern. If you're looking for something to upgrade your outdoor space, check out Hobby Lobby. I feel like a lot of people don't take the time to look at their outdoor planters. Is anyone else's Hobby Lobby seriously lacking on the flowers? Maybe it's just because they're getting ready to change seasonally, but whoa, where'd they all go? I normally avoid this section because we know where the pantry is. We know where the kitchen is. I don't enjoy these type of word signs at all. I feel like it's a little silly and redundant, but I found something that I do like. I love this little pedestal picture. I think it would look so pretty in my kitchen, and it's only $6.99. It's coming home with me. Whoa, baby. This year is the 250th anniversary for America, and wow, their 4th of July section this year is like off the chart. Aisles after aisles of the cutest stuff, so lots of choices for decorating this year. Okay, I know we're not supposed to be buying pillows, but for some reason, they have the cutest selection and I have a terrible time resisting. And I love these pillows, these front porch sitting. I've seen them since last year and I am so torn because I'm like, okay, first of all, it's words. And second of all, I don't need more pillows. But stay tuned. I think they're coming home with me. Decorate with what you love. If you love to entertain, they have the cutest outdoor little place settings and dishware and this little strawberry set, the little flamingo. It's so many adorable things, lemons, seaside stuff. You could put on just the cutest little tablescape for everyone. And I love the little strawberry looks. This makes me think of my sister. It's so cute. Now here's a section at Hobby Lobby I do avoid. I am not into their furniture. Now, I'm not saying you can't find a good piece here and there. I'm just saying overall, The furniture has just kind of a cheap look to it, a very generic look. I feel like you could even find sometimes better items at places like Walmart. I don't know, I'm just not super drawn, and this is one of the things that I do avoid at Hobby Lobby. Okay, I know this is really random, but this is so cool. This little set here of the nestling bowls, 50% off, so it's $10. Definitely check that out. I can't believe I got this for $6.99. That is such a good deal. It's gonna look so cute sitting here in my kitchen for summertime. So cute. Oh, that's adorable. This adorable picture is getting a little place of honor in here in the bathroom, especially with these little sheet toilet paper holders. How cute is that? Oh, so majestic. And my new front porch sitting, perfect for my little front porch. I think that's a great addition. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I have. We will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.